Good afternoon. We're over here at the Car Store and Fruitport at 301 North 3rd Avenue. Just rocking and rolling here today. It's a beautiful day out. The sun is shining. Got a light breeze. Got a lot of action going on over here at the car store, redoing the building. And right here, we're just taking a look here at this beautiful 2007 model Ford F150 Crew Cab Lariat edition. This truck was traded into us. The people actually upgraded to a newer body style Ford and traded this one in. And it's just a beautiful truck. They took great care of it. The body on it is absolutely in premium condition for a 2007. I was actually blown away, and I was very happy to take this thing in on trade, being that the body is in such great shape for a 2007. I mean, the rockers and cab corners are absolutely mint. It's got the nice 6-bar aluminum 20-inch wheels with a nice BF Goodrich. What is that? It's a BF Goodrich rugged terrain tire. Baby's got a lot of meat left to them. Still got the little nubs in there. What an absolute beautiful truck. It's the Lariat edition, so it's a Lariat Chariot. All the door bottoms are in great shape. This baby's been rust-proofed by like Oil Guard, where they drill the holes and they spray like a oil-based substance up on the inside of the panels, which is why the vehicle's in such great shape for an 07 model. It's got all the power options: power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats with the memory seating adjustments. It's got the nice black leather interior. It's got some real nice, these are them rugged terrain floor mats, so keeps the carpet nice. It's got the adjustable foot pedals. It's got the premium stereo with the 6-disc CD changer built right in, and it's MP3 compatible. Heated leather seats. Selectable four-wheel drive. It's got a nice little aftermarket trailer brake system there. Got your moonroof. Full center console. Again, bottoms of the doors are in mint condition. No paint flaking anywhere. Carpet's in great shape. It's got a aftermarket DVD system here. How do you get it down there? So it's got a nice aftermarket DVD system, so if you got the kids with you and you're on a long trip, you can plop a CD in there. And you know, kids get antsy, you know, especially on like a long trip, so it's nice to have something like that to keep them occupied if you need to. It's just a beautiful truck. No rust anywhere. Bottom lip of the tailgate's clean. You just don't find these trucks like this, not in this kind of condition. For a 2007, to be in this kind of shape, rockers and cab corners and everything are in absolute mint condition. I think it's got rated around 150,000 on it, if memory serves me correct, like 155. I don't have the key on me right now. Like I said, I didn't put the keys out this morning, so. It's got the tow haul mirrors. What a beautiful truck. It's right here at the Car Store and Fruitport at 301 North 3rd Avenue. We'll talk to you soon.